Welcome to one of the most remarkable healing centers of the ancient world. Today, we explore the legendary Pergamon Asklepion, once at the forefront of science, spirituality, and healing. Located in modern-day Turkey. This extraordinary site dates back to the 4th century BC and became one of the most important medical centers of the ancient Greek and Roman world. But it was more than just a hospital. It was a place where medicine, philosophy, and faith converged. Patients came here from all over the ancient world seeking healing for physical and mental ailments. Treatments included herbal remedies, therapeutic baths, dream interpretation, music therapy, and even early methods of psychotherapy. One of the most famous physicians associated with Pergamon was Galen, whose medical teachings influenced Western medicine for over 1,000 years. As you walk through the sacred tunnel, the theater, and the temple ruins, imagine the voices of ancient doctors and patients echoing through these stones. The circular healing center, underground passages, and impressive amphitheater reveal an advanced understanding of architecture and healing environments. This was not just a place of treatment. It was a center of knowledge. It was a place of hope. It was a sanctuary where science and faith worked together. Standing here today, surrounded by remnants of columns and marble pathways, we are reminded that the quest for healing is as old as civilization itself. The Pergamon Asklepion, as one of humanity's earliest examples of organized medicine, stands as a testament to the timelessness of our pursuit of health and understanding. If you enjoy exploring ancient history and forgotten civilizations, don't forget to subscribe for journeys into the past. Let's continue exploring the ancient world together. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more discoveries.